Hey guys, how you doing? Let me see. I was gonna write prop alcohol. If you guys know me, I'm not a drinker, but this market is about to drive me to drink. Oh my gosh. More crazy news for you. Let's make this a quick one and try and finish it on a high note for you, as we did on Tuesday night. In the same fashion, thank you, Steve, for the great idea. We're gonna unbox Z06 allocation for March ordering. You ever do that at Christmas? Try to shake and see what's in there, try and guess. This one doesn't sound too good. Okay, more on that in just a second. Chevrolet news, we talk about the parts issue. We've told you before, it's a bigger issue than what you're seeing in the headlines. And I saw this memo come through today and I thought it was interesting, kind of on topic with Corvette for fleet ordering. You know, you used to order a gazillion and you got them. Fleet ordering for 2024 General Motors is now on an allocation. Are we finding ways not to give you cars? It is a total different mindset in the world that we're in right now. I thought I had to share that with you guys. Also, we're sports car people here on this channel. Chevrolet did announce that 2024 is the end of the 6th generation Camaro. Great car, but it's kind of taken a backseat to Mustang and Corvette, of course. It's really a great value, but now the end is near for 2024. Wanted to share that with you guys as well. Also, too, talking to a couple of different contacts at Bowling Green Assembly. It does look so far, it is Thursday. So far, it looks like the plant will go back online. It was planned to be down for 2 weeks. They're trying to get back, and it looks like they are going to be back next week for production of retail cars. If that changes, and you know how it changes that quick, if it does, we'll let you know right here on the channel. All right, unboxing of Z06 allocation. You only get that in cycle 2 each and every month. It is cycle 2 now for March. Let's see what we got. It's kind of like what we did on Tuesday night with all the accessories I got from Paragon. More on that here in just a second. Yeah, well, that's not like Tuesday's episode. We had all kinds of cool stuff in the box. Yeah, you saw nothing. That's right. Zero allocation 2 months in a row, not just for us, for the entire country. No C8 Z06s to order. We've got, I don't want to go through that whole scenario. It's just, I can't sell you what I don't have. Pretty simple. And guess what, guys? We get to do this again next month when we talk about cycle 2 for Z06 for April, and that will probably be the end of 2023 ordering. I mean, are we going to have any more Z06s to order? Hello? Hello? Great, no. So as we finish up today, I am going to have a delivery clip, a send-off Pat, as we like to call it, something a little bit more fun from last summer. Matt from Florida coming up when he came here to get his car. I can't wait to share that with you guys. I love sharing you guys, and I love talking about this car. I really do. So Tuesday night, I did an unboxing of a ton of accessories. I told you we're going to step it up another notch and raise this to another level, and really just a lot of fun for me that I'm excited and proud to share with you guys. And by doing so, it is going to inform you, and it's going to give you ideas and things that you want to do with your car. Thank you again to ACCESSORY Composite and to Paragon. Now, Tuesday night's video, I went through that kind of quicker than I wanted to. I was basically more concerned with time and still wanted to get in a ride segment showing off your cars. I love showing off all those good-looking cars, and there were some good-looking ladies too in the ride segment from Tuesday night. But what we're going to be doing in the future, as we show you the progression of my C8 accessory build, we'll do some more close-ups and some details on installation on products that you can do yourself, and also that you have to use guys like Chuck to do. This is that speaker cover I was talking about in carbon fiber. My entire interior is going to be all Paragon dark black carbon fiber. This is the speaker cover. Here's what impressed me is how they're going to adhere that. It's an overlay, so it's great. You don't have to take the door apart and take the speaker covers off, and I'm going to show this to you here real soon. But see how it is very thin, double-sided tape, and even right here around the speaker, so it's not going to have any give, it's not going to have any vibration, it's going to adhere on there perfectly. I can't wait to share this with you. I can't wait to show you guys how this looks. All kinds of fun stuff going to be happening on my Rapid Blue Point 2. I'll share that with you on the channel. We'll give you updates in the title. Make sure you subscribe. You hit the bell notification so you can follow along and watch how fast and how much we're going to be doing to this Corvette. Thanks for joining us today. We'll be here Sunday in some capacity, having fun. Whatever we're doing on the channel, it is always Corvette. It's about this car. It's about you guys and the passion that we share for just really a cool sports car. I just apologize for the inconsistency and the lack of availability right now. We're going into what is known as driving season, and there's just no cars. Used cars are going out of control. I still haven't done my used car inventory. We've got some really nice used C8s. My information's up on the screen. Contact me directly by text or email if you're looking to drive right now. I'll throw a couple of ideas at you guys. And also, too, before I show you the delivery clip, I want to finish up today, just finish it on a more positive and a fun and a high note for you guys after that wonderful unboxing of Z06 Allocation. I told you guys in my delivery video when I was at the National Corvette Museum how, and I've told you for a long time, how significant to me having the acknowledgement of the 50th anniversary that I didn't get, but having the 70th anniversary acknowledgement on my car. So the only place that's on my car right now is in the back window of the convertible. I'm having clear bra, ceramic coat, and window tint done right now. Again, more details on that progression when I get the car back so you know what percentage I did of the windshield, the sides, and actually changed out the back percentage just a little bit. And I'm having clear bra done on the whole front end. Again, I'll show you more details when I get the car back, but I'm taking the front emblem off. I'm replacing it with the one that comes on the 70th anniversary cars that has 70 on the right side of the Corvette emblem. And I'm thinking, because I bought these, I'm thinking about putting these on the door as they are on the Carbon Flash and the White Pearl car. I know some of you have already done so. This is a great acknowledgement for Corvette 1953 to 2023. I really think I'm going to put those on there. So I just wanted to know what you guys thought. Okay, good to see you today. Sorry for the bad news, a little bit of good news. Let's end it on a high note. Let's do our traditional, we've made it a thing, and it's so fun sharing you guys picking up your car. Here's Matt from Florida and a send-off pat on our Corvette channel. Yeah, Dad's over here using a camera, an actual camera instead of a phone. A real camera. Good to meet you too, by the way. Matt, good to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for being on the channel. I got that sweatshirt too, by the way.
That's a great one. Matches the car.
Yeah, heck yeah, man. Anything blue. And yet another younger guy. We just shared recently the up-and-coming demographic of this car, and you're in that realm, if you don't mind. How old are you, man?
Just turned 31.
31?
Yeah, last week.
That's crazy. And we were talking to the office, and you're getting this beautiful 23 hardtop convertible, but you've had already a C8.
That's correct.
And it was a coupe, and you can't tell because I'm way down here. I mean, everybody's telling. Matt is, he's 6-something, and I'm not even close to that. And you had a coupe.
Yep.
And you're switching to a convertible for a number of reasons. One being, it's 6'2". Are you 6'2" or 6'3"?
6'2".
6'2". So it's hard for you in the coupe with the helmet on, hitting that B pillar. And I've had a lot of clients say that.
Yeah.
So it's pretty crazy.
Right. I mean, even without the helmet, my head was so close that it really just wasn't safe.
Yeah. And I know you did like seeing the engine of the car, but I'm telling you, you're going to love everything about the convertible, just the looks. And you had Rapid Blue, so you went right back to Rapid Blue.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. Just need to get something that's going to work for you. So you are going to do a little more?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Autocrossing?
Yeah. I mean, it'll be halfway broken in by the time I get home, so I'll be halfway there.
Well, a lot of people watching, we talk about driving your car. You're using this car as your daily driver in Florida.
That's correct.
What part of Florida, if I may ask, and were you affected by the hurricane?
No, we're on the East Coast. We're near the Space Coast, the Space Center.
Okay.
We're about 30 minutes south of the Space Center.
That's cool, man. That's great. I appreciate you watching the channel and reaching out and giving me an opportunity to help put something together for you. Did you have the previous car any length of time? Or
almost a year.
Almost a year, okay. So what did you like about it?
I mean, it's fast. It handles fantastic. The car's comfortable. The seats are fantastic. Yeah. I mean, it's just the coolest car
That's awesome.
I could imagine. I mean, I'm a guy that came from Ford. I had a lot of Mustangs that I tracked.
Oh, that's right. I was going to tease you. I'm glad you said that. That's right. I was going to tease you because part of your email still has Stang in it.
Yep. Yeah, I'm not going to change it.
But. Okay, I know. Right. Yeah, you've had it forever. But no, I get it.
Yeah, so I never thought I'd own anything other than a Mustang. But when the C8 was first revealed, was it 2019? Yep. I was like, you know, if any car would ever get me to leave Ford, that would be it. Yeah. And next thing you know, I was unhappy with a car I had a couple of years later, and I was looking at it, and I was thinking about, you know, what next level Mustang could I get? And I was looking at like Shelby Mustangs, and I'm like, man, they're really expensive. They're Corvette price money right there.
Right.
I wonder if I could get a Corvette. And I was like, wait a minute, I'd be spending way less getting a Corvette than a top tier Shelby. So I was like,
yeah,
maybe I should get one of those.
Thank you for everything. I'm going to show you. He may be familiar with a lot of the stuff, but I still want to do my dog and pony show and make sure he's very comfortable with all the features on this car, because there are a lot. And get your phone synced up and all the kind of stuff. And before we roll out, we're going to do a send-off pat as well. Okay?
Sounds great.
Fantastic. So, Dad, what do you think of this young man being into the Corvette thing? Is this pretty cool or what?
Yeah, he's almost convinced me to get one too.
I was just going to ask, have you ever had that yourself?
Nope, never
No?
have.
No? All right. Well, you're going to ride home from Ohio to Florida. That might be just enough to get you hooked.
I think it might be.
You never know. All right, show everybody that. Okay, look at that. Yes. We were talking about the Mustang heritage transitioning into Corvette, and that's a great plate by Ford. I love that, man. I love it.
Dual meaning for me. I'm saying goodbye to Ford, and I'm leaving Fords in the dust.
Right. Yeah, absolutely. Yes, you are. Yeah, I love it. All right, let's go do a send-off, Pat. Okay, official goodbye.
Thank you.
Dude, it was really good to meet you.
Yeah, for sure.
Thanks for watching me on socials.
Yep.
Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks to your dad. I do appreciate that very much. Good to see your enthusiasm for the car. You're loving it.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, keep in touch too about the tracking stuff. Maybe we get a chance to come down and do Road Atlanta or something together.
That'd be great.
That would be awesome, man. It really would.
Definitely.
Thank you so much. I appreciate
It's been
everything.
the best car riding experience I've ever had.
Dude,
so
that's
it's been
awesome,
fantastic.
man. I appreciate that. You're so cool, man. I love it.
All right.
Gonna do the official send-off, Pat. Really appreciate these guys coming up from Florida. Thanks for all the kind words and the support and the business. It's great to do this. This is what the channel's all about, is this car and these people. From Ohio back to Florida, Matt with his dad Andrew, he's getting a send off. Pat, we got the wave, the big thumbs up and a wing. They always get a rub. Yeah, man. Going from a C8 coupe to a convertible, as we said at the beginning of the show. Oh yeah, he's gonna put the top down. Smart. Because when he does some tracking, it's hard in the coupe for him to fit in there at 6'2" with his helmet. Feels a lot better in the convertible for a number of reasons, just besides the tracking. I mean, look at that gosh darn thing. Yeah, that's beautiful. That looks good, man. Have a safe trip, guys. Appreciate everything. Thank you. And thank you for watching, guys.